So I haven't had that much time filming lately, as it was my birthday and just a lot of work in general. But you wanna know something really cool? All my awesome friends, they chipped together and bought me this awesome KitchenAid. Awesome. So since I have it, I want to try it out. It's now 4 or 5 days and I haven't had time to try it out yet. So today I want to show you how to make a Pavlova. First up, we're going to separate our eggs, heat up our sugar and then whip up a meringue. Okay, and then we do the easiest meringues ever. We're going to take our sugar, we're going to put some paper on top, a couple of knives to weigh it down, if you have a fan that it doesn't blow everywhere. And then we're going to put it in the oven for like 180 degrees, 7 minutes-ish. Okay, and about a minute or two before the timer goes off for the sugar, we're going to switch on our egg white. Twenty more seconds.
A few moments later.
Perfect consistency. And again, you see when a meringue is finished, you just turn it around and it's not coming out. Now we have a really nice and round shape. We're going to put it into the oven, 90 degrees Celsius and 3.5 hours. Alright, so 3.5 hours later. Not really, Pavlova is still in the oven, but I prepared one yesterday. So next up, we're going to melt some white chocolate in the microwave or on the water bath, however you prefer. Then we brush the top, put it into the fridge to cool down. That's basically just for dividing the cream on top and the meringue, so the meringue doesn't get too soggy. After that, we whip up our cream and start decorating. Alright, let's do this. Let's put the cream on top and the berries. Alright, this is it. Got the massive Pavlova with mixed fruit. You don't necessarily need to do the big one. You can also do some small ones, like this, peach and raspberry. The only thing what's missing now is I'm going to sprinkle some green pistachios on top, and that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I promise I will be back much sooner this time. Thanks for watching. Bye.